Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Secured Financial Solutions. My name is Anil Vazirani, your fiduciary. Secured Financial Solutions is a full-service, independent fiduciary firm. In this segment, I am going to touch a little bit on annuities. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you that have money sitting in the bank, not earning a lot of interest rate, I want to share with you the safest vehicle in the history of the United States, which is referred to as a traditional fixed annuity. These traditional fixed annuities are paying interest rates up to 6%, where you have the ability to take interest out after 30 days. If you do not touch the interest, your money grows tax deferred, which is powerful. A lot of times we invest in CDs or money market accounts and don't touch the interest, and then we are very, very surprised and disappointed when we get a 1099 at the end of the year. And you say to yourself, Anil, I didn't even touch the interest. I'm forced to pay taxes. Well, that is taxation without representation. In these tax-deferred fixed annuities, not only are you receiving a superior high interest rate of up to 6%, but you control taxes, not Uncle Sam. Second type of annuity that I'm going to warn you against is the variable annuity. The reason why it's called variable annuity is it fluctuates on a day-to-day basis with the movement of the market. A lot of folks may or may not realize that variable annuities are nothing but mutual funds inside an annuity wrapper. They're referred to as sub-accounts. The fees in these variable annuities between the sub-account, mutual fund charges, and the annuity charges range between 3 to 5%. Absolutely outrageous. Companies like AIG American General, Nationwide, Jackson National, Pacific Life, ING, Voya, MetLife, Bright House are some of the examples of financial institutions that are big promoter and sell a lot of these high-risk, high-fee variable annuities. What I do want to introduce you to, ladies and gentlemen, is the principal protected, low-cost, new generation annuity with lifetime income, spousal continuation option, protection for your beneficiaries and heirs, and above all, if you could not do 2 out of 6 activities of daily living and you needed home health care or long-term care protection, this annuity kicks in double the benefits of the annuity value to protect a spend down of your assets potentially. So first, principal protection. What this annuity does is it has 4 buckets. These are 4 crucial buckets for all of you that are over the age of 50, headed into retirement, or for those of you that are retired and want to stay retired safe, smart, and secure. Bucket number 1, the ability to grow your money linked to a reputable index in the market, S&P 500, Dow Jones, the ability to potentially grow your wealth without the downside risk. That's bucket number 1. Bucket number 2, the ability for your money to compound and roll up at 8% and in some cases 10% for income that you may need today or down the road. Bucket number 3, whatever you do not use in your income bucket upon your passing, for those of you that are married, your spouse has the ability to do a spousal continuation feature. For those of you that are single, you can have your beneficiaries designated to take over some of those benefits for you. And bucket number 4, if you could not do 2 out of 6 activities of daily living, the value of the annuity doubles up to address home health care costs and nursing home. The reason why I bring up home health care first is majority of the folks do not want to go into a nursing home. They want to be in the comfort of their home. So ladies and gentlemen, please give us a call to explore the exciting opportunity of the principal protected, low-cost, new generation annuity. 480-248-8980, dial extension 201. speak to my office manager, Jillian Bolton, on the web. Please check out our website, dreamretire.com, which will redirect you to Secured Financial Solutions. Secured Financial Solutions, as I stated, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the financial services industry since 1994. That's over 32 years of track record, serving as fiduciaries since 2008. Thank you. Best wishes. We look forward to serving you all.